and welcome back. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. So we just set up our planner and now I want to plan. I got all these new stickers and I'm so excited. I cannot wait to make out our first planner for 2019. I'm like pumped about what it's gonna look like, how it's gonna look, and I'm also a little worried about keeping up with the schedule. I do want to show you guys how I stay on task, how I stay on track with using my planner. It's just not all about the decoration of it all for me. It's about actually keeping the schedule and really feeling like I have a handle on my mom life. Like mom life. Anyway, so make sure you stick around. Let's go ahead and get straight into planning for this week. So let's go ahead and get started. Well, starting off, I have to be honest, I never really have a solid plan or what have you on how I'm going to decorate. I honestly just open the planner. I may find inspiration from things like a picture, maybe a color, maybe something I saw on Pinterest, or just however I'm feeling for the week. But this week I'm gonna try to stick to what I already have shown you guys in the haul. I'm gonna try to stick to using only these books. Now that may not happen, but I'm gonna definitely try. I am so inspired by all the colors in the LOL book, so I'm gonna try to stick to that. When I see something that I just love, I just try to play off of that. And right now I'm really eyeballing this washi tape with all the girl faces on them. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this down. It's honestly no rules to it. It's just however I'm feeling at that very moment. When I'm planning, I do try to use a lot of the boxes and the bullet points because it helps me stay on track. So I make sure I put those down because I can start to decorate and have no space to write anything. I just go through each book just to, see whatever fits for that week. Usually when I'm planning, I listen to music. I already know what I need to get done for the week. But for the most part, I try to do things every day so that I'm not making some plan that I'm never going to do. So that's one of the biggest things that I do. Every day I write in my planner, and then I may have a side sheet to kind of help me check things off. I make a ton of mistakes when I'm decorating. That really doesn't matter. Making a mistake doesn't matter. It's all about being creative, having time to do something that you actually want to do. This spread here is really turning out super cute. I'm loving the way it's all turning out. One thing I don't like about this week is using the LOL book. When I make a mistake, I'm finding that the tape does not stick It's not as solid if you make a mistake, if you put it down and then take it back up. So if you use that book, just try to be precise on where you put it, because it may not stick as well. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I love the way this spread turned out. It is just super girly and super cute and very functional. I still have enough space to write what I need to do. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys next week for another Plan With Me. Bye.